Congratulations on having a great WordPress website. Did you know you have to maintain it weekly? In the next few minutes, you'll get an information-filled tutorial on WordPress you haven't heard before, and it'll convince you why AutoAdmin WP is a cost-effective solution. Now, for the past 20 years, we've done thousands of great websites, and recently we had clients calling us in trouble. We delivered their site, but they didn't hire us to maintain it, and it's been a while since it launched. So for some, their sites were down, not working, not displaying right, leads not getting to them, and their site got listed on search engines as containing malware, which ruined their search engine ranking. Initially, they figured they'd do it themselves and save money because it didn't look like much to do. However, a WordPress site needs regular attention to keep it running right. We found they didn't update in the 3 areas WordPress needs updating. Number 1, plugins. Number 2, what's called the WordPress core. And number 3, theme updates. All of these are required to keep things running smoothly. Although recently, WordPress made it to where the core will auto-update. However, you have to tell it to do that. Have you? The other updates still aren't automatic, and on top of it, you have to know how to fix a conflict if updating a plugin causes other parts of the site not to work, which does happen. Do you know how to fix this? We also found out they had no security protection, or for those that they thought had protection, we showed it wouldn't stop real hackers. If hackers get in, they can get your site listed on Google, Yahoo, and Bing for containing malware, and browsers won't let clients visit without a big warning page. If you have page 1 rankings, you're immediately taken off, and it could take weeks to get back on. Then there's the hidden problem of hundreds of hacker bots hitting your site each day trying to hack across all your pages. This drains your site server and increases how long it takes your site to load for real clients and how things work on your site for them. Google will see your loading times are terrible and adjust your ranking accordingly. Lastly, the clients in trouble didn't back up their site regularly. The effects of this are being down for a day or two, or, as 2 clients experienced, losing their sites completely. To hire someone to manage this site for you would run you $8 an hour for a basic worker, $10 an hour for someone that knows WordPress but not everything included in AutoAdmin WP, and $35 an hour for someone proficient to make sure all is done right. That's 1 hour a week times 52 weeks. However, there could be extra costs with this solution. Why? Plugins don't all update on the same day, so there could be issues and the need to have them come back and work on it more in that week. You should expect this to happen often. If you lose your site completely, that's thousands of dollars. There's a slight chance it could happen to you, but it could happen. Why not protect from all this and have a quick backup restore option that'll have you back in action in minutes if things go wrong? Consider getting an inexpensive solution that gives you all the benefits of hiring a professional. Consider AutoAdmin WP. For $497 a year, it's a deal, and you get the professional level service at a bargain price. You spent so much to get your website. Wouldn't you love to set it and forget it when it comes to the geek stuff like this? Sign up here and let's get you up to date, up to speed, and fully protected.